Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening subscriptions right away. On iPhone, go to Settings and tap your name, then Subscriptions. Alternatively, open the App Store, tap your profile photo and choose Subscriptions. This step shows subscriptions billed through Apple. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID that paid for YouTube Premium. Once you're on the subscription screen, scan the list for YouTube or YouTube Premium so you can move straight to managing that membership without delay. Now cancel the membership. Tap YouTube or YouTube Premium in the list, then press Cancel Subscription and confirm when prompted. Apple will show the expiration date so you keep access until then. If YouTube isn't listed, it means Apple didn't process the charge. Open the YouTube app, tap your profile, choose Purchases and Memberships, find the Premium membership, then Manage Membership and cancel. Make sure to follow the on-screen confirmations, so the cancellation is recorded in the correct account. Finish by confirming cancellation. Look for the confirmation message or email and note the listed expiration date so you know when billing stops. If you don't see YouTube in subscriptions, double-check other Apple ID signed into your device and the Google account in the YouTube app. Many people have multiple accounts. If problems persist, contact Apple support for App Store purchases or YouTube/Google support for subscriptions billed by Google. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves account mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.